Hey, what's up? It's Bill with Seeds of Nature Water Gardens. I'm in Ashland, Oregon, and I'm working on a leak repair. So I'm going to give you guys a little tip. So if your pond or waterfall starts leaking, the first thing you have to do is one, turn off the pump. Turn off the pump, and then number two is fill it up with water. Let it sit for about 24 to 48 hours. And what that'll do is tell you whether the leaks is in the pond or basin if you have a pondless waterfall, or in the waterfall or plumbing, right? So we did this on this feature, and what happened was there was no leak inside the pond, but we found a leak in a bulkhead that was put in here for an overflow. So the overflow just wasn't done right. They didn't put a patch on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to excavate around there. I'm going to take off this bulkhead, and I'm going to put a patch on it, clean it, put a patch on it, and then reattach the bulkhead. I put the patch kit on there, resealed all that up, and then I retied the bulkhead through the patch kit, reconnected the overflow pipe. Everything's good to go. Refilled her up. It's running. Everything's done. Hey, if you live in Southern Oregon and you have a pond, waterfall, fountain that needs repair, maintenance, or you're looking to design and build a pond, waterfall, or fountain, hit me up. Bill Seeds, Southern Oregon Pond Guy. Peace.